Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Hope you are doing well with your preparations. Today we are here to discuss GK current affairs questions for TISSNET and CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous year papers there. It would be helpful for your exam. As you know, we have launched the CMAT crash course from 1st Feb. The course includes detailed day-wise schedule covering all the important topics and it's available for just rupees 1,999 and you will get the 5 CMAT mocks for rupees 299. Along with this, we are having 5 TISSNET mocks for rupees 299. Link is given in description. So please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's start with the first question. The Labour Ministry released the new series of WRI, that is Wage Rate Index. What will be the new base year for this? So the correct answer is D, 2016. Let's check the next question. Which of the following countries will host ICC Men's Championship Trophy 2029? The correct answer is A, India. Let's check the next question. India's first credit card made from recycled PVC plastic launched by which of the following banks? The correct answer is C, HSBC. Let's check the next question. RBI formed IWG, that is Internal Working Group, which has given dash recommendation out of which 21 accepted. RBI formed IWG, that is Internal Working Group, which has been dash recommendation out of which 21 accepted. So the correct answer is D, means 33 recommendations out of which 21 accepted. Let's check the next question. The total corpus of PIDF reached at rupees 614 crore. It was launched by the RBI in, the correct answer is D, January 2021. Let's check the next question. Central Vista Oversight Committee was formed by the government. It has how many members? The correct answer is C, 5 members. Let's check the next question. An electric vehicle loan scheme Go Green was launched by, the correct answer is B, ESAF, Small Finance Bank. Let's check the next question. Which of the following insurance company partnered with Tropgo for drone insurance in November? The correct answer is C, Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. Let's check the next question. SBI signed a MOU with Ponlate, that is Pondicherry Cooperative Milk Producers Union, to finance individual dairy farmers up to what amount? So the correct answer is A, that is 3 lakhs. Let's check the next question. A mobile app, namely Call Your Cop, was launched by which of the following state government's police? So the correct answer is D, Nagaland. Let's check the next question. Which of the following statements are true? So the first statement is the full form of BSBDA is Basic Savings Bank Deposit Account. The second statement is RBI introduced BSBDA in 2012. Then third statement is the minimum age to reopen an account under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is 10 years. So the correct answer is E, that is the first one. The full form of BSBDA is Basic Savings Bank Deposit Account. Then second one, RBI introduced BSBDA in 2012. And the third one is the minimum age to open an account under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is 10 years. So all the three statements are correct. Let's check the next question. Which of the following statements are not true? The first one is in PCA, C stands for correct. The second one is if a borrower fails to make the payment of interest of principal amount for 90 days, then the loan is considered as NPA. And the third one is the full form of NPA is not performing asset. So the correct answer is A. That is first and third statement. That is first one is in PCA C stands for correct, and the third one is the full form of NPA is not performing asset. So these two statements are wrong. The middle one, that is the second one, if a borrower fails to make the payment of interest or principal amount for 90 days, then the loan is considered as NPA. This is the correct statement. Let's check the next question. Match the name of the bank with their headquarters. So the correct answer is C. That is AU Finance Small Finance Bank is in Jaipur. So this is in Jaipur. Okay, then Capital Small Finance Bank, it's in Jalandhar. Then Equitas Small Finance Bank, it is in Chennai. Then Jana Small Finance Bank is Bangalore. And Utkarsh Small Finance Bank is first one, that is Varanasi. Let's check the next question. Which of the following is the sponsored bank of Madhyanchal Gramin Bank? The correct answer is E, that is State Bank of India. Let's check the next question. Audit Divas is celebrated on which of the following dates of a month? The correct answer is D, that is 16th November. Let's check the next question. Rani Gaidnalu Museum is located in? The correct answer is B, Manipur. Let's check the next question. Behramgarh Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is D, Chhattisgarh. Let's check the next question. Koteshwar Dam is built on which of the following rivers? So the correct answer is C, Bhagirathi. And Bhagirathi river is in Uttarakhand. Let's check the next question. Dhyan Chand Award for Lifetime Achievement in Sports 2021 in wrestling was won by which of the following? So the correct answer is B, Sajjan Singh. Let's check the next question. Chakar is related to which of the following sports? So the correct answer is D, polo. Hope the video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notifications. All the best. Thank you.